All right. Now, because we already drained the fuel, there's most likely going to be no fuel there to begin with, so. Wow.